Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the Surface Pro has power. Plug in the official charger if the battery is low. Once done, attach or stow the type cover. This avoids accidental key presses, and locate the power button on the top edge near the volume. You press briefly to wake. Hold for 3-5 seconds only if nothing happens. Make sure charging LED glows. This confirms the adapter and contact are working, so you can move on confidently. After the initial checks, press the power button once and give the device time to initialize, about 15 to 30 seconds for the firmware to hand off to Windows. You'll see the Windows logo, then Windows Hello or the lock screen appears. Use your PIN, password, or face. If the screen stays black, press the power briefly again. If it's unresponsive, try a 10-second hold to force shutdown, then power on again. Make sure keyboard backlight doesn't stay on. This signals successful post. Finish by completing setup prompts. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign into your Microsoft account, and allow updates. These steps ensure drivers and security are current. Once done, check the battery icon. If charging, allow it to reach at least 50% before intensive tasks. If the Surface Pro won't boot, try the 2-button shutdown. Hold power for 30 seconds, then press volume up and power together for 15 seconds and release. This resets firmware without data loss and often resolves stubborn boot issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.